Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eTrade for cost basis tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred internet browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for eTrade. Press the enter key to navigate to the eTrade website. Once the home page loads, locate the Open an Account button. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to select an account type. Choose the account that best fits your investment needs. After selecting an account type, click Continue. You will then be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal details, including your name and address. Input your social security number or tax ID number. Make sure to enter your date of birth accurately. Next, provide your employment information. Indicate your income sources and financial status. After completing the personal information section, click Continue. You may be asked to answer security questions for account protection. Respond to the security questions accurately. Next, create a username and password for your account. Ensure your password meets the *trade security requirements. After setting up your username and password, click Continue. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Read through the information carefully before agreeing. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Now, click the Submit button to finalize your registration. Within a few minutes, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow any instructions provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your eTrade account using your new credentials. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for options related to cost basis tracking. Make sure to enable cost basis tracking for your future trades. Review any settings and preferences to ensure they align with your tracking needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.